Hello, everybody. Hello. Just to get started right now, I'm going to tell you right off the bat that this is a meditation for panic and anxiety. This is something that I need today and that I hope will serve you well. I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Rebekah Borucki. I am a mother of five, an author, and a meditation guide. I have books for big readers and little readers, and you can check out the free electronic versions of those in the video description. I'm offering those for free for now when we're living in these kind of confusing, serious, scary, bewildering times. And I'm not going to talk too much before this meditation because I want to get right into it. Again, it is a meditation for panic and anxiety. It's a very simple one. I hope it's going to offer you tools that you can use throughout your day going forward and all your days ahead. It's definitely one I need. It's definitely one I need. I've been, I don't know, I've been struggling a little bit today with just keeping organized, keeping up with my calendar, making sure that I'm fulfilling all my obligations to my family, to myself, to my businesses, to my business partners. And it's been overwhelming. I feel like my brain is firing on all cylinders and short circuiting a little bit. I deal with ADD and I have extreme trouble concentrating. And even if I'm doing something as simple as, answering a text message and someone comes in and asks me a question, it like totally makes everything short circuit. So I need this today. I need this today. I'm going to invite you now to settle into your easy, comfortable seat. I want you to be perfectly at ease during this meditation. Maybe not internally, but at least physically at ease. So make any adjustment you need to feel completely comfortable, free from pain or discomfort. You can close your eyes if that feels safe, or leave them open and focus gently on an object, a spot across the room, a place on the floor past the tip of your nose. You might notice if you practice with me a lot, if you practice with me daily especially, that I repeat a lot of the same cues in the beginning of your meditation. Because what we practice often and what we're familiar with will allow us to drop in even faster into a state of peace and calm. So following the same directions, the same general cues, will allow your body and your mind to connect in an understanding that it's time for meditation. It's time for you. It's time to feel at ease. Bring your attention to your easy inhales and exhales as they are in this moment. Your natural breath as it is. Noticing as it enters in through your nose, passes down your throat, filling your lungs, your belly, and then noticing again as you exhale and the air exits through your mouth. Inhale with me. Exhale, release. As I allow myself to exhale, I extend that breath as long as I can, drawing in my belly just a bit to make sure that my body completely empties of air. This is intentional, measured breathing that allows me to bring my focus, my attention on a physical, tangible thing and away from any racing thoughts. So try it again with me, just observing your breath as it travels through your body. Inhale and exhale. Drawing that belly in just a bit. And releasing and allowing it to be soft. Bringing your attention to your breath is the easiest thing that you can do when you're feeling panicked, anxious, afraid. It's something that's happening anyway, really without your participation on its own. So just being the observer without even changing it, without trying to manipulate the lengths or depth of your inhales and exhales is enough to draw your attention away from the thing that's frightening you, making you tense, and bringing it to something that's happening on its own naturally. So just for a few moments, without changing a thing, again, bring your attention to your natural and easy and effortless inhales and exhales as they are. Short and shallow, long and deep, it's of no matter. Just following your breath. Imagining it traveling in through your nose, down the back of your throat, filling your chest and your belly, allowing your belly to be soft. Maybe pausing as it rests in your seat, and then noticing as it comes up and travels out again. Just following your breath, letting my voice be your guide. Inhale and exhale. And as your mind wanders or something else takes its attention away, I hear a bird singing right now. I hear my belly rumbling right now, even though I just ate. Bring your attention back to your breath. Maybe even saying silently or out loud with a whisper, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Saying those words in your head or especially out loud allows you to focus even deeper, even more intentionally. It brings you to the here and now. Inhale, exhale. No pressure to perform. Your body is doing it on its own. You just have to be the observer. Next, let's practice releasing any tension. If you meditate with me, you've done this before. Place your attention to the crown of your head. Slowly, slowly bring your attention down to your forehead. Release any muscles that might be tight in your forehead, smoothing out the wrinkles and the creases. Noticing the muscles behind your eyes, letting your eyes soften, your jaw, letting your bottom jaw release, placing the tip of your tongue on the roof of your mouth. Now down to your shoulders. Relax them all the way, let them drop. Your attention moves down to your belly, again allowing it to be soft, round. Release anything you're holding on to there. Move down through your legs. Maybe your hands are placed on your knees or your thighs. Extend your fingers like starfish and then release. All the way down to your toes now. Giving them a wiggle and then allowing them to relax. And as you move your attention out through the bottom of your feet and down through your toes, take a nice big inhale. Exhale, release. Free yourself from any tension you were holding on to. Flush it all the way out with your breath. Inhale. Exhale, release. Notice now. Notice how your breath might have changed from the beginning. Notice the length of your breath, the sound, the depth. Notice how just paying attention changes so much. Notice with just a little bit of effort, just sitting down and giving yourself this time, you've changed your entire state. Notice that no matter what is going on around you, you have the power to bring yourself to a place of peace and calm, or to ask for help and assistance by turning on a meditation video, by having someone sit with you to comfort you. You always have a choice, even when you feel out of control. If that choice is only just saying, I can't do this, I need help. Settle into that knowing with your breath that you are in charge of you, that you are in charge of you. And that peace is always more powerful than panic. That peace is who and what we are. And returning to yourself, connecting with yourself, is connecting with that peace, that truth of who you are. One last inhale and exhale with me, trying to make this one as life-giving and tension-releasing as possible. Prepare yourself for your breath by sitting up as tall as you can, as tall as you're able. Inhale, lift. Pause and exhale, release. Leaving your hands where they are, bringing them to heart center in prayer, or one on top of the other. Bow your head. Acknowledge your life force, your heartbeat, the rise and fall of your chest with your breath. Slowly, in your time, on your next breath, flutter your eyes open. Bring your gaze back to focus and return to this space. Hello, Yvonne. Hello, Carol, Saya. Thank you for tagging your friend, Saya. So just to recap quickly, your breath is always there for you. Your breath is always in service. in communicating to you where you are in the moment. Trust your breath to be that wise messenger and just observe it. If you are in a place of peace or panic, bring your attention to your breath as it is. You don't have to try to change it. You don't need one more thing on your plate. And then that quick body scan of just noticing wherever you might be holding on to tension, just anywhere in your body. Just move from the crown of your head all the way down to your seat or your toes. Just acknowledging the tension you might be feeling and releasing that on your exhale. Just focusing, even though you don't believe it or even though you don't know if it's working or not, just bringing your attention to those things and away from any other distraction, distracting thought, physical distraction will help you to bring yourself to a place of peace and calm. All right. Thank you for showing up for me today. Thank you for showing up for yourself because it inspires and compels me to show up for you. I say it 3 times to affirm. Do I have lipstick on my teeth? Ew. Talk about distraction. I say it 3 times to affirm. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you, I love you, I love you. Hello, Rhonda. Hello, Ben. Hello, Allie. Hello, Elizabeth. Please tag your friends and share this video. And for all of you who gave me really great compliments on my just washed hair yesterday, thank you. I can't deliver every day on that. It's going to go back up in the pony for a few days, but I appreciate that you appreciated my curls. So my natural curls. I'll see you around.